Today, I am going to explain to you how you can use fruits to lose weight. This video is for people who want to know how fruits can be used in order to lose weight. You're going to learn how you can use ready-made snacks made by nature that are packed with nutrients, vitamins, and fiber that can be used to lose weight. I am Rajitha Bommakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. I help my clients develop healthy habits for life in developing healthy mindset and healthy habits and encouraging them every step of the way until they accomplish their goals. Continue watching this video until the end to learn how you can use fruits in order to lose weight. Fruits are generally low in calorie and high in fiber, so they lead to weight loss. In fact, fruits are linked to weight loss, helping with diabetes, lowering blood pressure, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. But if you are looking for a quick weight loss, then you're just falling into the trap that has no long-term results. Even the smartest people fall into this trap. Look at it this way. The longer you chase after quick weight loss, the longer it takes to lose weight and lead a healthy life. I help my clients succeed and guide that is not self-serving, but to help them meet their highest potential by meeting them wherever they are and helping them unstuck so that they can get long-term healthy results. Fruits are linked to many health benefits. They have low in calorie and high in fiber, but at the same time, they have natural sugars. That makes some people believe that is fruit really good for weight loss because of the sugar content in them? But think about it. It's natural sugar. It has lots of fiber that keeps you full and satisfied for a longer period of time. And it is low in calorie. That way, you can have more fruit. The quantity is more and it is dense with nutrients. A study has shown that by eating grapefruit, people have lost weight prior to their meals and kept it off. Half a grapefruit has only 39 calories, but has 65% of the daily vitamin C that's needed for the body. That is very impactful and very nutritious. Berries are low in calorie and they are powerhouse of nutrients. In a study, they have given a cup of berries to a group and another group got this candy which equal to the same number of calories as the berries. The group that ate berries had consumed less number of calories throughout the day versus the group that had candy. That says berries are a good option for weight loss. Melons. Melons have low in calorie and have more water. Melons like honeydew watermelon, just a cup of it has from 45 to 60 calories, but they have lots of water. That means you can use that to shed pounds. Using low-calorie fruits in order to replace high-calorie snacks can cause calorie deficits. Calorie deficit occurs when you burn more calories than you have consumed, which forces your body to burn calories primarily from the fat that's stored in your body, which causes weight loss. Would you prefer snacking on a fruit that is low in calories, packed with nutrients, versus snacking on high calorie with hardly any nutrients in them, like a candy bar? Tell me in the comment section below. In order to learn about my services and my coaching program, please visit my website. The link is in the description box. In order to lose weight and keep it off, it does take effort and time commitment, dedication. Tell me in the comments below if you want a long-term success and keep it off, or are you chasing after those quick weight loss traps? I am your faith based holistic coach. Until next time, choose the right option.